Another Unimog convertible, and also very cool Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. Seeing this one here, I'm pretty sure I'm also seeing this one on a Sunday if I'm at the next classic car meeting in Liebenzell, except if weather is bad or if my health is not well, then I'm at least planning to go there. G-Wagon, never boring, never boring. Beautiful 300 SE, and I'm just noticing that the Viper is no more here, so then wasn't the second, was just this one. Anyway, here a nice Pagodi with the American taillights. Here's an old Alfa Romeo Spider Duetto 1750. And here, big greeting to Peter. It's his NSU TT. So cool. He's the guy with the small little yellow flat thingy. What was it called? RS Turner. This is the NSU TT. Same size. And here the beautiful Duetto. And there the Pagodi. Oh, it's so hot today. And I was saying I usually like it hot, but today I'm definitely also on my limits. Oh, and you can see here it's in miles, so this is really an US import. And someone who is usually not driving. Oh no, that's interesting. I want to say that you're not driven by someone with automatic, but the park is on the bottom. That's something I've not known before. So cool. It's 2816, and here a Hanomag R35. Oh, beautiful in red. Volkswagen Beetle 1303 Cabriolet. Also beautiful cars, and actually quite large cars. I mean, people are often referring the Beetle as a small car, but actually it is much larger than a Mini. Here's the Ponton that we have also seen 2 weeks ago. Actually, for me it was 2 weeks ago. The Ponton, the black Ponton. It's a 180 diesel from 1961, 43 horsepower. Not in the perfect condition, but I like it this way as well, because yeah, this guy is owning a Ponton and I don't. And you even also not. Cadet C Coupe GTE, beautiful. And a Chevy Corvette C2. Oh, and it's so hot. I don't know if I'm continuing. Such a beautiful car. Yeah, 123 series, and this here, I'm not sure, is it a Camaro or is it the Firebird? I'm thinking it's the Camaro. Chevrolet, yeah, then it's the Camaro. Also really a beauty. Same here, SEC, and here's the Corvette. Well, I'm sorry, but I'm dying in this heat. So I'm making it a little bit quicker. but probably not because I'm walking slowly. So once again at my Audi 80, I just had to grab 2 drinks because I'm so thirsty, so hot. Wow. And here, beautiful pagode in German racing green, like I'm always saying. Perhaps on Saturday I will see more of these Ford Capri. German and British pony car. Oh, people, I cannot talk anymore. Maybe I should just shut up and just film and let you enjoy the rest without my blah blah. W115, so not the 108, that was a mistake, what I wanted to say last time. So it's the 115, this is the large fin tail. Oh, totally loving these fin tails. Oh, 300 SEL. Nice. From 911 Carrera Targa. No, the Carrera is an SE. Jaguar E-Type in, well, this time British racing green. That's what she said. Stunning color. Absolutely stunning. It's metallic paint. Wow. V12 as always. So stunning. So here is stroke 8. It's a car from the hosts. And there's even another one. Both from the first series. So, 200 diesel. And here's 200. So, and one more stroke age, this time it's the coupe. No B-pillar. First series. It's Playboy. Mercedes-Benz 300 Adenauer. This here's a Chevy Impala, if I'm not mistaken. So, BMW E28. Small Fiat Cinquecento. So, Hercules M5. Wow. Hi peeps, I'm totally exhausted and there are still a few cars, but I cannot film anymore, I cannot walk anymore, I'm not feeling well now, it's just too much heat and I'm just leaving now and going back to home. It is, well, also nice time, so it's not like I haven't seen everything, but I haven't seen everything, but it's simply too hot. So guys, and girls, of course, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.